Welcome back to Manoj Nambiar's Travel Experiences. Today's video is about Brussels, the capital city of Belgium. Belgium is well known for many things: politics, history, architecture, and cuisine, just to name a few. Belgians do not share one common language. In fact, there are three official languages in Belgium. Atomium, an unavoidable icon of Brussels in Belgium. Important place for international tourism. Unique creation in the history of architecture and emblematic vestige of the World Fair in Brussels. So the Atomium is today the most popular tourist attraction of Europe's capital. It is 102 meters high and consists of 9 fiars connected by tubes. The fiars are 18 meters in diameter and have a stainless steel outer layer. The Atomium is a 165 billion magnification of the body-centered cubic cell of an iron crystal. The Atomium served as the icon and main pavilion of Expo 58. Here are few interesting facts about Brussels to inspire a visit to this European capital destination. Brussels is the political capital of Europe and is home to 40,000 European Union employees and 4,000 NATO employees. In Brussels, people mostly speak French, but all public signs and documents are in French and Flemish Dutch. The third language spoken here is German. So, not surprisingly, about 27% of the residents in Brussels are not Belgian citizens. The Grand Place is the central square of the city of Brussels. All over the world, it is known for its decorative and aesthetic wealth. The Grand Place is surrounded by the guild houses, the City Hall, and Maison du Roi. The Grand Place is considered as one of the most beautiful places of the world. The Grand Place of Brussels was registered on the World Heritage List of the UNESCO in 1998. Upon arrival in Brussels, one of the first attractions you are shown is the mannequin piece. The Peeing Boy is a small bronze fountain statue from the 17th century that is tall just 61 centimeters. Many great legends bring this little statue to life in the hearts of visitors. And the question is, why was this statue erected? One story tells of a tourist father who lost his son in the city, and after receiving help from villagers to find the boy, he gifted the statue to them. Brussels is a major producer of chocolate. Let us talk more about the chocolate. Of course, it can be found all around the capital city. But did you know the airport in Brussels is the largest chocolate selling point in the world? The city has an impressive 138 restaurants per square mile, and at almost all of them you can find some variation of French fries on the menu. There is even a French fry museum. Attention French fry lovers! Chips, commonly known as French fries, were created in Brussels. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share.